In this video, we are going to see about a college management application, and this is the workflow of that college management app. Here we have some number of users called admin, lecturer, staff, student. Now the student can ask the query to the respected staff, and the case of scenario, the admin should register the account, log in into an account, and they can view their personal information and update that. They can grant their student query to that staff, assign some staff to the lecture. After that, they can view the remaining fees by the student. They can delete users and provide view forum. Forum is the feedback. And after that, in the case of lecture should register and log in the account. After that, they can view the personal information and they can view the domain. They can add their domain and view their domain. After that, they can apply for leave and view that leave, and they can set timing to that answer the query for that respected staff a student. After that, they can reply student query and they can view the staff assigned for them. In the case of staff, they should register and log in. After that, they can view their personal information and they can view the lecturer who was assigned behind them. After that, they can provide the forum. Student can view their personal information, select lecture, and they can ask the query to the lecturer and they can see the lecturer's reply. They can view the bill, if they had any remaining fees bill, and they can provide forum. And this was the college management app. In this, we have login or register page. Now we are going to number of users as admin. So admin registration. In admin, they can view their personal information. So the personal information, after that they can update that. And the admin can grant the student query. And this is the student query. After that, they can assign staff for lecture. They can assign staff and view all pending bills, delete user. Now registration of lecture. After registration process of lecture, register an account, login. After login, they can view their personal information and they can add and view domain. View personal information, add and view domain. In domain, they can add their specialization of that class which they can take. After that, they can apply and view leave informations. Apply and view leave informations. After that, they can set their time of class. Now the time slot is updated. After that, they can reply the student query and view assigned staff. And now the staff registration process. In the case of staff, they can view the personal information, see the list of assigned lecture and provide forum. So they can view the personal information. There is no lecture. After that, the student registration. In student status, they can view the personal information. So they can view the personal information. They can select the lecture. Selecting the lecture. Now show domain is computer networks is loaded. After that, they want to give search and they had the selected lecture. Now they want to ask the query. So Then they can view the remaining fees details. Then they can provide forum. After that, admin process. Now admin should grant the query to that staff, and they want to assign the staff and view the pending bills. Now